Chapter 1 Computer Networking. Learning Outcomes, Computer Network, Need for Computer Network, Advantages of Computer Network, Components of Data Communication System, Network Terminologies, Devices required for a network, Types of networks, Topology, Network architecture, Wireless networking technology, Protocol. Key terms: Client, computer that depends on the server for all the resources. Bandwidth, capability of a transmission medium to transmit the maximum amount of data from one computer to another.
Let's play a game. I will be passing a chit-chat with a message and a name of the receiver to one of you. You have to pass on the chit to the correct person by passing the chit to next student.
Right, sir. Okay, sir.
Make sure that each chit passes through every student.
Okay, sir. Can we call this a network game, sir?
Yes, we are going to learn about networking today.
The process of connecting computers and peripheral devices with each other so that they can exchange data is called computer networking. Various hardware devices, protocols, and software are required for networking in this chapter. You'll learn about networking and computer networking concepts.